Children, welcome back to the social session. Children, we begin with a new lesson called as abolition of Jamindari system, where the rural poverty at the time of independence, you know it very well, at the time of independence, Indian poorness, okay, 90%, 95% of its population were very poor. So when India became independent, the biggest challenge for the leaders that faced by the country was acute poverty, especially in the rural areas, and illiteracy. These were the major problems at the time of independence. And it is estimated that more than half of the rural population, that means 55% of the people were poor. More than half of the population, 55% of them were poor, and they all were living in the rural areas. Rural areas means gaon mein the. And that is around 18.6 crore population. 55% means it is nearly 18.6 crore population who are considered as poor and acute poverty. Acute means they were very poor people, and they did not have access to any kind of resources like land, nor did they have education. Education नहीं था, उसके पास जमीन नहीं था खेती बाड़ी करने के लिए, and which could help them to get some gainful employment with education also. They can get at least some employment. That was also not there. So the only employment open to them was extremely low paid agricultural jobs or laborers. रोज कूली को जाते हैं, ओके, एग्रीकल्चरल खेती बाड़ी. सो दैट इज द ओनली वे थ्रू विच दे कैन earn some money. A very large portion of the peasants and peasants were landless. Peasants mean the farmers. They were landless. Sir, you are saying landless and they were peasants. Means they usually hired land from the other landlords. Landlords के पास से रेंट को ले लेते थे और उसमें they used to do the खेती बाड़ी, agriculture. Some of them leased in lands belonging to the landlords whom they had to pay rent and do forced labor. Not only rent, they also had to work in their land, called as forced labor. So hunger constantly hunted them because of their poorness. They don't have sufficient money to purchase the food grains. So hungry usually hunts them. And apart from that, there were famines were there. Okay, there was no proper crop. And epidemics were also there. Epidemics mean the diseases like plague, even coronavirus. Corona is also a kind of epidemic. So these kind of epidemics, unhealthy practices were frequent and devastating, and which used to kill thousands of people at a time. At the time of independence, it was widely agreed that in order to end the rural poverty, it was important to give the poor access land. That means those who doesn't have the land, land has to be redistributed to them, was agreed by everybody for cultivation. This could only be done by ending the Jamindari system or landlordism. So what is this Jamindari system? You have already seen about Zabt Zamindari system during the Mughal practices in the same class. You have seen that. So under the landlords and tenants, under the Nizams and Mughals, you have Britishers, you have already seen. So there you have learnt about the landlordism. Okay, Bhuswami. Okay, the person who owns thousands of acres of land is called as a landlord. So when you put an end to this Jamindari system only, you can redistribute land to the poor people so that you can end this poorness. Okay, the agitations during the British rule also focused the attention on the problems, demands and hopes of the peasants. It was clear that peasants wanted the government to reduce the taxes and free them from the strange hold of the money lenders. So most of these peasants were in the web of money lenders, and the peasants have agitated even during the British period also to bring them, to make them free from these money lenders and to keep an end to this landlordism. So the terror of the Jamindars was always continued in the rural areas. They also demanded that the land should belong to the peasant who actually plowed it. That means land to the tiller, दुन्ने वाड़िदे भूमि, जो प्लो करता है उसका ही है जमीन. That slogan was given. Of course, this was a slogan of even the Naxalite movement also. Because of this landlordism, because of this Jamindari and Patel Patwari system only, the Naxalite movement has come in many of the states of India. So this slogan of land to the tiller has become a very strong force in the coming days. So tomorrow we will see how the Jamindari system has been abolished and who are the other intermediaries present between the government and the peasant in the next class, children. Thank you.